In this section, we're going to look at how to create a lesson observation matrix. The lesson observation matrix is made up of rows that relate to a bespoke list of key elements that make up a good lesson, and columns that give statements that help identify where a teacher might be within that key element. To create our own lesson observation matrix, we first need to log in as a super user. This will take us to the school settings page. Scroll through the staff list until you get down to the lesson observation section. Here you will find the Big Insight exemplar. Big Insight have provided a selection of possible key elements and statements to go with them. However, if you do not want to use any of these, you can use the remove icons to delete them. If you chose not to use any of these, you would need to delete every one of them individually. Once you've deleted the ones that you want to delete, you can then start to add your own. Use the Add More icon to create one new element. Each new element needs a label, which will be its title, 5 statements that will help identify where a teacher is within that key element, 1 being the weakest and 5 being the strongest, and finally a colour, which will be how that key element will output on the final data wheel. Once you are happy with all of your selections, you can save your lesson observation matrix by using the Submit key. This will finally give you one confirmation window. If you click OK, this will be then saved and you will now have a full lesson observation matrix. This concludes how to create a lesson observation matrix.